In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screen on this Lenovo tablet. That is the part numbers for this particular unit. I'll just show you what the screen looks like. So all of the screen is cracked across here, and as you can see it's popping out here. Got trodden on, so I basically just flexed and broke it. So looks like a relatively simple job, so I'll just take you along on the repair. So looking at the new part, it looks like this panel here comes off. I'm try and get a pry tool in there. There we go. It's starting to come now. Just clips into place by the looks of things. There we go. That's come off. Then we've got 3 screws. One there, and one there to remove. This one appears to be loose already. Okay. Final one. Like with a lot of these modern things, it has this securing tape that you can basically just sort of pull out, similar to that on an iPhone, that just sticks the screen to the back, albeit that this is all loose, so it's probably not doing much as it stands. The trick to this is just to be giving it even pressure, not to pull it too hard, because you don't want it to snap off and stay bonded, otherwise you're going to be heating up the laptop. There we go, and repeat for the other side. So with those removed, the screen is loose now, and I believe it's held in at the top there, so it just needs pulling. There we go. And then we'll have to remove these connections from the bottom. So now we just need to check the part numbers on here are compatible with the one that we bought, and then we're going to be disconnecting these 2 sections of wiring. So I've compared the parts and all looks good. So we're going to unhitch the wiring connections now. So it looks like we've got a little latch that needs to be lifted off here. There we go. There we go. That's disconnected. Just going to use the tape to stick it to the back there whilst we disconnect these ones. Again, there's tape protecting this connection. So these are the latches that we often see on some of the phone devices. Right, just got to disconnect these. There's the first one. This one's been a bit stubborn, isn't it? There we go. Should be able to remove the ribbon now. There we go, there's the first one. There's the second one. So that's all latched in. Just got to put the sticky tape back over the top to protect it. Then, so I've applied some double-sided tape on the back of the screen. Be nice to use the original tape where you can pull it out at the bottom here, but to be honest, if the screen breaks again, I'm going to be pulling it off. So seems a bit of an overkill to be going to all that effort, and I already had this double-sided tape which is used for replacing screens on phones, so I've already had this in stock, so it makes sense to use that. So I've turned it over, and the top bit there just pushes and clicks into place, and yeah, did that off camera, but it just clicked in by itself, so it doesn't need a huge amount of force. So that's all in now. Just got to put the screws back in at the bottom here. On the old screen, this came off, so the old screen obviously suffered quite a catastrophic bit of damage. Last thing to do is just refit this trim at the bottom. Should just snap into place. There we go, that is all back in. Now for the million-dollar question, will it turn on and does it work? There we go, all working, and the touchscreen is working as well.